Warm greetings to everyone. I, Sahil Sinha, currently pursuing Bachelor's of Technology from CVMI Global University, Odisha. As you have seen our previous video in which we have discussed the problem of plastic and its effect. In the last video of our project, we showed how harmful the plastic is to the humankind and the earth. In this video, we would be talking about eradication of the use of plastic because we believe in rolling out solutions too and not just pointing out the problems. The problem of plastic and its effect, we have seen how plastic kills millions of aquatic species and seabirds. We have seen how humans eat microplastic, filling land with plastics makes land infertile. Many diseases are caused by it when it burns very harmful toxic gases releases, which harm human and our surrounding. That's why plastic is grievous problem.
And yes, guys, after listening to Sahil, we all came to know how grievous the problem is. But also, it is possible to discard the complete use of plastic. We can manage it by superintending some ideas, like try to say no to plastic or stop using plastic straws. And to know more about ideas, I would like to call my dear friend Akriti.
Thank you, Ankita. It's my pleasure. So, coming to the topic, I just want to say that why we need to be aware about the global issues just like plastic pollution. And the solution is that our society is transforming rapidly, and in this growing and changing era, there is an urgent need to include global awareness issues. Plastic waste is considered as the most hazardous among the total solid waste generated worldwide. It is a need to manage, recycle, degrade the generated plastic waste. In most of the cases, it is cheaper to manufacture new products than to recycle it. Plastic has various potential properties and it is very difficult to find the best alternative solution to replace it. Hence, it is important that people should be aware about the consequences of the plastic uses so that a attempt would be made to minimize the generation of plastic waste.
Thank you, Akriti. Now I would like to call Aryan to tell us about uses of plastic waste.
Thank you, Ankita. Plastic can be used for construction of roadways. The technology was initially developed and patented by Rajgopalan Vasudevan. He developed an innovative method to reuse plastic waste to construct more better, more durable, and very cost effective roads. While plastic roads may be a new concept in many parts of India, but Chennai has been experimenting it since 2011. Chennai has used nearly 1,600 tons of plastic waste to construct 1,000 km length of roads. The technology has penetrated deeply and has found application even in far-flung areas such as Meghalaya, where a
Village converted 430 kg of plastic waste into a kilometer-long road. India has built almost about 33,700 kilometers of plastic roadways.
Thank you, Aryan. Now, after that, at last we can minimize plastic by recycling it as it reduces air and water pollution, greenhouse gas emission, which also helps us to tackle climate change and save energy. For that, I would like to call Pankaj.
Thank you Ankita for calling me. Now we'll discuss about recycling of plastics. Plastic recycling is the process of recovering waste plastic and reprocessing the material into useful products. Broadly, there are two major ways to recycle plastics. First one is mechanical recycling, chop and wash, where the plastic is washed, ground into powders and melted. And second one is chemical recycling, where the plastic is broken down into monomers. Before the recycling, most plastics are sorted according to their resin type. At recycling mills, plastics are sorted by this symbol and sometimes sorted an additional time based on the color of the plastic. After the plastic is cleaned, it's melted down and compressed into teeny pellets called huddles that are ready to be reused and fashioned into new and completely different products. When they recycled, they can make new bottles, containers, plastic lumber, and playground equipment, etc. Apart from this, one of the best examples by using home economical and jugaad science, the idea of using waste plastic in making Mongolian satellites. Thank you.
Thank you, Pankaj. Plastic is not the problem. Plastic wouldn't clog our oceans or our landforms if we didn't throw it there in the first place. Now it's the high time we stop seeing plastic as the enemy and turn it into our biggest resource.